How to recover Google Sheet files. In left hand side, click on the three line main menu. Click on the Google Drive. And here in left hand side, click on the trash option. And here you find deleted file and you can recover it easily. And here you can see the items moved to the trash will be deleted forever after 30 days. It means after 30 days, this all file will be deleted permanently. So before 30 days, you can recover easily. Let's see how it's done. I just go to the Google Sheet and my today Google Sheet 1 to 3 in the right hand side and click on the three dot and then click on the remove and click on the move to trash. And now I go to the trash Google Drive and here you see your Google Sheet is showing. Then simply click on this three dot right hand side more action and you just restore and go to the Google Sheet and here you will see your Google Sheet is recovered. So that's it. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you.